Good morning everyone. My name is Diyadi. I study in class 6th. Today's topic is caring for Mother Earth. Some of us kept birds such as parrots as our pets at home. We keep these birds in a cage. While we care for them, birds should not kept in cages. This is because a cage is not their natural home. Birds feel unhappy living in a cage. They are meant to fly and live freely in their natural surroundings. So birds should be set free from cages.